I feel really happy today because it's my daughter's birthday.
I feel a bit tired after work, so I try to rest in the evening.
I feel stressed because I have a lot of things to do today.
I feel relaxed now because I finished all my tasks.
I feel excited about the weekend because I'm going to travel.
I'm in a good mood today because everything is going well.
I'm not in a great mood because I didn't sleep well.
I'm feeling a bit down today, so I don't want to go out.
I'm feeling much better now after getting some rest.
I'm feeling quite positive because things are improving.
I'm happy with my progress because I practice every day.
I'm worried about tomorrow because I have an important meeting.
I'm nervous about the interview because I really want this job.
I'm proud of what I did because I worked very hard.
I'm disappointed with the result because I expected more.
I feel better after talking to someone I trust.
I feel worse today than yesterday, so I think I need to rest.
I feel more confident now because I have more experience.
I feel less stressed after going for a walk.
I feel a bit overwhelmed today because everything is happening at once.
It makes me happy when I spend time with my family.
It makes me feel relaxed when I listen to music.
It makes me feel stressed when I have too much work.
It really helps me calm down when I go for a walk.
It makes a big difference when I get enough sleep.
I think I need a break because I feel too tired.
I just need some time to relax and clear my head.
I believe I'll feel better tomorrow after some rest.
Everything will be fine if I stay calm and focused.
I'm trying to stay positive even when things are difficult.
How are you feeling today?
I feel a bit tired, to be honest, because I didn't sleep well.
Oh, really? What happened?
I had a lot on my mind, so I couldn't relax.
That sounds difficult. Are you stressed because of work?
Yes, a little, because I have a lot of things to do this week.
I understand. I feel the same sometimes when I'm very busy.
Yes, it can be quite overwhelming.
Do you feel any better now?
A little, especially after talking about it.
That's good. Talking really helps sometimes.
Yes, it makes me feel less stressed.
Do you have any plans for today?
Not really. I just want to go home and relax.
That sounds like a good idea. You need some rest.
Exactly. I think I need a quiet evening.
Are you worried about tomorrow?
A bit, because I have an important meeting.
I see. Are you nervous about it?
Yes, I am, but I'm trying to stay positive.
That's the right attitude. I'm sure you'll do well.
I hope so. I just want everything to go smoothly.
You will be fine. You just need to stay calm and focused.
Thank you. That really helps.
That's all for now. Good job.
That's all for now. Good job.